All right, this is what you need when you're hanging like a chandelier or something in the middle of a canopy. You need these, which are called crossbar hangers. Same name as the other crossbar hangers, but they just different. So when you're ordering something like this, be sure you guys are getting the right ones. You need 2 of these, and then you need an additional crossbar. So, all right, so what you do, you take your crossbar hanger. I'm gonna open this up so you guys can see. You take your crossbar hanger, pretty much just nestle it right there. But you know, if you're going this way, whichever way is totally fine. It's totally up to you. And then you just want to take your crossbar, pull it out. I'm pushing it a little more. And you just want to slide your crossbar directly in it just like that. This is like a close-up of how it's going to look. So here's the crossbar hanger. It's latched onto the main crossbar, and then you take the additional crossbar, you go all the way across to the other side and attach it there. Now, when you finish that, pretty much at this point, all you want to do is take a C-hook. You don't want to use an S-hook because the S-hook is not heavy enough. This is a C-hook. This is what you want to use. This is the S-hook. This is what you don't want to use because it's real flimsy. This is real sturdy and can hold this chandelier because this is a big chandelier. So this is a chandelier that I pretty much, this is the one I ordered on Amazon, and I did a video on how I actually hardwired this one as well. And I did a video, I don't know, probably 2 years ago. This one is an updated version. Some things I learned, I found out that I wasn't following safety, so I redid it. So you just want to take it, hang your C-hook directly onto your crossbar, and you want to just hang your chandelier. Now, if you know exactly what the length is going to be, like how low you're going to hang it from, you know, whatever it's going to be, whether it's a sweetheart table, if it's a candy table, or whatever it is, then you can hang it up while it's in its lowest setting. However, I would not, because for one, this is heavy. And for two, you just don't want to risk it banging around when you go to raise your design. So I would wait until my backdrop is all the way up, and then I would get, you know, a ladder, a step stool, or something, and attach my chandelier. Now, the main thing I want to say, I'm not going to keep the chandelier on here because that's not the design I was doing. I'm just showing you guys, you know, just to show you how to do it. One thing I want to tell you guys, be mindful of when you're hanging a chandelier. For one, you definitely want to cover this pole. Cover it with a sash, cover it with mainly a sash, or you could cover it with one of those tight pole covers that look like stockings or something like that. Key is you want to cover it. Also, this, if you don't have enough fabric to close your ceiling, you know, to actually close it out, you want to at least cover this pole with, again, a pole cover or something like that. Then the only thing you're going to do is you're going to take your cord, you're going to go up and over, right? And then you're going to find your power source and you're going to plug it up. That's pretty much it. That's how you hang the chandelier when you are using a canopy. I highly would recommend you guys cover your ceiling because this looks tacky if you keep it like that, right? Cover your ceiling. You guys that's in this will actually have access to see how I finished this with covering the ceiling. You won't have that today because I'm not going to do it right now, but you will have, when you get the replay, when you get the edited version of the actual tutorial, all that'll be in there. So that's how you would hang that. And that's what if you're doing, some of you guys do the suspended cake stands, you would do it the same way. You would hang up a cake stand the same way.